What it do, YouTube? It's your boy Connor back with Muscle Addiction, man. If you're new to the channel, you don't know it's a vibe, make sure you stop this video right now. Like, comment, and subscribe, man. All three of those, please. Y'all do that for me. But get right into this video, man. Part two time, man. Before we get too far into the video, this video is sponsored and brought to you by AutoOne LED lighting, #1 source for automotive lighting. I done told y'all already, we are back for the second time. They done sent your boy out their newest, latest and greatest, just came out, D3S LED bulbs, a replacement over HIDs. So yeah, man, we finna get this unboxing done and show y'all what we finna do, what we gotta do, and we finna get into. So yeah. As y'all know, they come with some gloves, good gloves, manual, 6000K, LED, D3S. Y'all know what it is, 5,000 hours working, lifetime hours, if y'all can see that. See if I can zoom that in for y'all. I'm pretty sure y'all can see that, but it ain't focusing. But yeah, that's ooh. And here they go here. God dang, boy, these mugs, I can already tell. Can't show y'all too good for some reason. It's not wanting to focus. But yeah, so I'll give y'all a better view, but it's got a fan on the back of it, and if y'all can see through that, y'all please forgive me. Like I said, we working with some different settings and stuff like that, but there is a fan in there. Looks like it just plugs straight in to the new one. Like I said, we're gonna let y'all know what it's talking about when we get to the car. Like I said, it come with two of them, no dielectric grease or nothing needed, nothing like that. So that's the unboxing. We're gonna get out here to the car. All right, we back. This is gonna be getting done on my 2015 Chevy SS, as y'all can see. But for this here, it's gonna be an access point right here. I don't know if y'all can see if I can get y'all a good angle. It's an access point right up in here. All right, YouTube, so I'm going on with my video camera, but change of plans. We are not going through here because we got some Phillip head screws that we gotta take out. So what I'm gonna do is just jack up both sides and take off the wheels. Well, this is a lot just to change out the headlights, but this is probably gonna be easier rather than fiddling and faddling with all that. So I'm just gonna take these. Dang, I can't even show y'all this doggone light, but I think y'all can see it. But it's a few of those all the way around, a couple push clips. But I'm gonna take those out after I take the wheels off. Same thing on this side. Just take these mugs out. Sorry y'all, my video quality sucks. It's a big old glare. I can't see nothing, but we're gonna get these took off and I'm gonna tap in with y'all once we get to take them off. All right, YouTube, we got this wheel off finally. Oh, back y'all up. We got the wheel off. It's off. So I'm finna zip all these mugs off here. Oh. Zip these three off. Boom. And right there. See how much we can pull down on this. Probably gonna have to take this out too. So we gotta take that out. I don't even think I got a flathead, but I got a pick. All right, we're gonna try to use this pick. Bruh. Oh, well, it came right out. Probably need another one of those just to be on the safe side. All right, let's try to pull this out. Fender liner. Pull it back. Alright, voila. See that bad boy right there. Let's the one we need. I think I really want to take it off. I don't know. I want to have this all the way out my way. So I think I'm finna just zip out these last two right here. Ooh, how about that? I think we should have no access. You know what I'm saying? Nope. So pull this out. Turn. There you go. So y'all can see there are two Phillips heads in there. For what reason, I don't know. It's dumb, but yeah, we're gonna get that. Those two took out, and we're gonna tap in with y'all when we get them out. All right, y'all. That's pretty much how it's gonna come out. Just be careful not to drop these, lose these screws. And like I said, the bulb, the HID is just gonna come out, or LED, whatever that is. You just unplug it from this harness right here and plug in the new one. Let y'all know what's up when we get there. Here's a side-by-side comparison for you guys. You guys can see exactly what it looks like versus the other one. This is the Osram D3S. It's the same plug. So yeah, let's get these in. Do this new one, and I'm gonna give y'all before and after with the old one on the other side and the new one on this side. But this one got the AutoOne label at the bottom of it. So yeah, man, I really got high expectations. I know this is finna be way better. So like I said, we're gonna plug that right in and get everything put back in. Let y'all know what's up. Back in with it. All right, make sure it's seated, but it definitely takes some elbow. But let's get this shot, man, for y'all. See how what it looked like. Ooh, ooh. Okay. See, here we go again. Here we go again. Ain't even gotta tell y'all, man. Ain't even gotta tell y'all. It look good. It look really, really good. Alright, y'all, I got 5% left on my phone, but rinse and repeat. Same thing as the other side. Shout out K&N. Yes, sir. But yeah, I like that. That's nice. You can see that from right there. But anyway, yeah. We are just doing the same thing we did on the other side. Just taking all these out. And you're gonna need I don't know what this is. T something. T15. It's a T15. You're gonna need a T15, a Phillips head. And yeah, ratchet really is all you need. This is before stock bulbs. There's the low beams, high beams, the low beams. Way it's driving. Stock bulbs again. A little set point for y'all. Brights. regular. Brights are separate, so I'm gonna have to get a different set of lights for the bright side. But as y'all can see, if y'all can tell, there is a major difference over these versus the stock ones that came in the car. I can get the same spot last time, right here. Put side by side comparison up. Much better lighting output than the factory lights. Super happy. But yeah, y'all make sure y'all go holler at them. The link will be in the description below. Y'all make sure y'all use promo code ConnorRosser for 15% off your order. So yeah, man, y'all just be on the lookout. Most Edition signing out.